even though it's a blizzard outside, the roads aren't terrible, and it's New Year's Eve. We have to celebrate the new year with friends, so of course we're gonna go out.
Fourteen, 13, 12, 11, 10,